Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Rust, an innovative solution for metal protection. First, ensure your workspace is clean and well ventilated for safety, always wearing gloves and eye protection. Prepare the metal surface by removing any loose rust or debris. A wire brush and a grit of 80 sandpaper are perfect. This crucial preparation step guarantees optimal adhesion and effectiveness of the Zen Rust treatment. Once prepared, thoroughly stir the Zen Rust for at least 30 seconds to achieve an even consistency. Apply a thin, uniform coat across the entire surface using a brush, roller, or a spray gun, ensuring complete coverage. Aim for a consistent film, about 1 mm thick, avoiding puddles or excessively heavy application. This method ensures the product penetrates effectively and bonds correctly with the metal, preventing future issues. After application, allow the first coat to dry for about 2 to 3 hours, watching for the surface to turn black as the rust converts. If a second coat is necessary, apply it after this initial drying period. For a full and complete cure, typically wait 24 to 48 hours, depending on environmental factors. Optimal drying occurs between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit with moderate humidity, ensuring the best long-term protection. Once fully cured, inspect the treated surface carefully for any areas that might have been missed, ensuring a consistent finish. The now stable and protected metal is ready for its final top coat. For best results, apply an oil-based primer first, followed by a durable, high-quality paint. This multi-layer approach provides excellent long-term protection against future rust and environmental damage, maintaining the integrity of your metal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.